Okay, here you go. The first thing you see on your little matrix, or whatever you call that, on the ftmo site, is your daily graph. That right there is back when I had a couple losses there, and this right here is where I just closed everything once I went over 10,000. The trades that I did have kind of turned hard against me, and I worked full time. I just didn't have time to deal with it, so I just closed them all. I was over the thing anyway. Start date, end date, 100,000 ftmo. That's pretty self-explanatory there. Minimum 10 trading days. These two things, this max daily loss and max loss, those two things you really need to study on and understand, because it's not really closed trades, it's equity swing. So during this period of time, whatever my highest equity was, it fell back $2,200, and I think almost 23. And I think that day, actually, I don't think I even closed I didn't have a losing trade. But if that would have went to $5,000 and a penny, it would have blown my account, even if I'd had no losing trades the whole time. So you need to understand that. That's kind of equity swing. My max loss, I'm not $579. I'm not sure exactly what that is. I lost, I think, 1,000 or something. That just tells you your past. And economic calendar, that you need to pay attention to. Here is win rate 91%, lot 77. That's standard lots, 399 trades. I really thought it would take me less than that, but 399 trades. That's the ending balance. Average profit was $30.61. Average loss is $30.97. Risk to reward, if you want, or reward to risk, however you want to call it, 0.99. It had been in 1 point something until that last day there where I closed all those trades. Expectancy, profit, you know what that's all about. All this does is just show your days and how much you made. I guess that's your trades. Yeah, trades and lots. 88 trades that day, 17 lots, 1,700. That tells you what you made each day. And this was the day that I went over to 10,000, and I closed all those losing trades. You'll see them in a minute. But you have to place a trade every day for at least for 10 days. It don't have to be 10 in a row, but you have to have 10 days. So in other words, I had to place trades here, so I just placed some. Now, I didn't intentionally lose there. They just lost. 4 of them. I don't know how many of them lost, but I didn't intentionally lose. I placed 3 here, $2. They were small trades. I didn't have any intention. And the next thing is your trading journal, and you'll see where there's those 2 trades that I guess that might have been the third one where I had that loss up there that one day. This is where I closed all those trades, and up until this time I only had a few losses, but that just goes through, and I got 20 pages of trades. It just goes through and it shows all your trades. Then you drop down and it tells you the hour that you opened your trades, how many I'm thinking. No, it shows you the profit. I have indicators and expert advisors that do this same thing. Tells you how much you made on sales and how much you made on buys. Tells your volume, lot size. My number one lot size was too many lots, and I had some smaller and a couple of them bigger. It tells you, and these little bitty ones down here, that's just where I was playing those last couple days. Really, every trade that was intended to be a trade was in this little area here. Then it tells you how much you made per pair. Euro USD, you would have thought that I would have made a lot, but I didn't trade it hardly any, $760. And that's it. You said you wanted some info. This is more for RC Trader than anything. That's all the info you get on the deal. There's not much else to say one way or the other. So